Hey, this is Sandy Wissinger. I am an artist and I am obsessed with primary colors. That's actually how my monsters started. So one day I realized that all the things that I was painting ended up having monsters in them. And I actually came about from learning to mix color or refusing to learn to mix color. So this guy that, if you watched last week, I did some touch-ups to him. This one's called the Ghrelin Monster #2 because it's kind of like I'm making fun of how cats are always hungry even after you feed them sometimes. And that's me. So the Ghrelin Monster is like the thing that tricks you into thinking that you're hungry, but just because your stomach isn't like the way it's set up, it's not going to tell you that you're full yet until like you have to wait 20 minutes after. So I made Ghrelin into an actual monster. This one is also a Ghrelin Monster #1. Kind of like in an attic. It's like in a creepy haunted place. Yeah, so another monster of mine. So these are currently for sale at Art Mama Moo's virtual art gallery. This one is called My Hip Hop High School. This one is called Mother Gaia. This one is called Forward. This one is called Scythe. This one is called Gertrude. This one is called Spirit Science. So yeah, here at the Coven Cottage, we do kitchen magic, we make art, we make music, we do it in a relaxed fashion. We love on cats, and we journal a lot.